Hello students, welcome back in EVS class. We are doing chapter 4, healthy food and healthy body. Today we will do food groups. So take out page number 33 everyone. We will study about the food groups. Different kinds of food help us in different ways. There are three main types of food groups. So children, there are three main types of food groups. You can underline it. First is energy giving food, second bodybuilding food, and third is protective food. Now let's start about energy giving food. What are energy giving food? The food which gives us energy, that is called a energy giving food. Food items like rice, wheat, sugar, butter and oil gives us energy to work and play. They are called energy giving food. They are rich in fats and carbohydrates. Carbohydrates gives us energy to work and play. So beta, all these items like rice, wheat, sugar and butter, these gives us energy. So we must take the energy so that we can active and we can do our work easily. And in these all these things carbohydrates is added. So we must intake the carbohydrates in our daily diet. Second kind is bodybuilding food. What are bodybuilding food? The bodybuilding food are that food which makes our bones and muscles strong. Food items like milk, eggs, pulses and fish help us to grow. They are called bodybuilding food. They are rich in proteins. They make our bones and muscles strong. Yes, beta. For making our bones and muscles strong, we must take the proteins. We must add the food items which are rich in proteins. The things which are rich in proteins, that are milk, pulse and fish. So you should also add all these things in your diet. Next is protective food. Fruits and vegetables are called protective food. They are rich in vitamins and minerals. They protect us from falling ill and they keep our skin healthy and improve our eyesight. So what are protective food? Protective food are that food which protect us from falling ill and they gives us vitamins and minerals. Means they add vitamins and minerals in our body. So we must add fruits and vegetables also in our daily diet, and it improves our eyesight and keeps our skin healthy. So beta, eating fruits is healthier than having fruit juice. Some students are fond of taking the juice. It's good that you should take the juice, but you should take the fruit. With the fruit, fiber also goes in your body and that also is good for your body. So you must prefer eating fruit instead of taking juice. Next, fourth point, water and roughage. Water you know already. And what is roughage? The part of the food which we cannot digest is called roughage. See children, I will give you one example here. Like when you are taking out the juice, suppose we are taking out the juice of apple. So when you take the juice, the liquid, it goes in the glass and the waste that is going aside, and that is called the roughage. Okay. It absorbs water and helps to remove waste from our bodies. Foods that contain a lot of roughage are radish, carrot, apples, oranges, and whole grain. Whole grain means like rice and wheat. So all these are the roughage products. You must have these roughage products because these also helps you to digest the food. These are good for our health. We must drink plenty of water every day, and water help in digestion. Fruits like cucumber and watermelon contain a lot of water. Children, now summer season started and you will get the watermelon in a large quantity in the market, and cucumber too. You can add cucumber in your salad and take the watermelon also. And most of the children I know, they love to eat watermelon. So children, you should eat the watermelon and other fruits and vegetable also that are having the roughage. Next, healthy and junk food. We also eat snacks in between our meals. Snacks like chips, burger, pizza, and cold drinks are not good for our health. These are junk food, and we should not eat the junk food. See here, burger, chips, cold drink, pizza. We should eat healthy food. Fruits like apples, bananas are good for our health. Yes, children, junk food is not good for our health. It just gives the taste to our tongue, nothing else. When it goes to our stomach, it creates many problems. It creates indigestion and many more problems. So we should not eat these things. Moreover, these are the fried things. These are not having the nutritional values. They are not adding any vitamins, minerals, and carbohydrates. Because in burger, what is that? That is maida. And maida is not good for our health because it takes long time to digest. And chips, these are fried. And the oil which is used in the chips, that is also not good for our health. And next, cold drink is too much harmful for our body. You can take the alternate of this. You can take the juice at home, take the lemon water instead of this cold drink. Next, pizza. This pizza is also not good because in the base of the pizza, maida it is added, and it is made of maida totally. That is not good for your health because it does not digest easily. So beta, instead of these things, you can add some fruits in your daily diet. And if you want to eat these snacks, then ask your mother to cook at home, because at home what your mother is cooking, that is more healthy than the market things. Now next is activity time. See here, Payal is becoming fat. Match her to the healthy food items she should eat, and put a cross on the food items she should not eat. Now see children, the child who is becoming fat, that because they are eating the junk food, more junk food they are eating, and they will become fat. Because in the junk food, already that fried things and other the things which are not healthy, they are not having the nutritious value, so they are added. That is why the person who is eating more junk food, that will becoming fat. Now put the cross on the food items that are not good for good for our health. Now next one is milk. She should drink milk, yes. Fruits, yes. Pizza, no. So mark here cross. Next, chocolate, no. These vegetables, yes. Chips, no. Cold drink? No. Burger? No. So what is left over now here? Only milk, fruits and vegetables she should eat. Okay children, so up to here I will teach in this video. Now we will meet in the next video. By that time you just go through it, and if you will be having any doubt then ask in the doubt class. Okay children, take care of yourself. Goodbye.